Google fully reveals the design of its upcoming Pixel Watch on video because they want me to swim in their pool. It's more like a bathtub.
Uh-huh. What kind of juice do they have?
They used to name their software after desserts.
Yeah.
Remember that? It was like Eclair, and they still do that. Anyway. It's like ice cream or something.
Like a milkshake?
It's a milkshake in there. Okay. A little thicker.
Oh.
But it's a bathtub because they don't have the same breadth of products. Not quite. It's close. Smaller enclosure that we're in together. And they know everything about me, so it's intimate. As a bathtub would be. If I was going to get into a bathtub with Google.
Oh. Who is that? Sundar?
That's right.
You're with Sundar?
What the hell is going on today here, Will? I think we ate too many of those peppermints.
Yeah.
Those peppermint chocolates. Mint. I think that's what it was, because I had 2 of them.
Yeah.
And you were like, these are pretty sweet. Be careful. And I'm like, give me another.
It's
because you went to Bulk Barn. I don't know if the people know about Bulk Barn, but you can get anything over there.
They have giant vats of food.
You know what it's like? It's like when Kanye put the Gap collaboration together.
I was just thinking that.
It's like a giant bin established in 1982, for those that don't know. And you can get everything in there, from nuts to spices to candy and cookies, and they're in giant bins. And you just start filling it up by the pound or by the 100-gram segment. Coffee is in there.
Did you sample as a kid?
Are you allowed to sample? Oh, you're saying illegally.
Yeah.
No, I was a law-abiding citizen.
Oh, okay.
Unlike you, Will. Dangerous guy living on the edge inside the Bulk Barn. Can't believe you just admitted to that here on broadcast television.
I owe Bulk Barn a lot of money.
Here on the Pepsi halftime show. Similar viewership.
Yeah.
I like the look of this Pixel Watch. It's definitely not ultra style. It's not like rugged style, but it's smooth style. It's integrated, organic, avatar style.
Like a pebble.
Exactly. You don't need, it looks like a naturally occurring object that you just found in nature. And it kind of blends into your wrist. This is something you might not notice you're wearing it, Will.
Yeah, it's very sleek.
You might not notice you're wearing it, Will.
Yeah.
So how does this fit into your aesthetic? Okay. Can this fit into your wardrobe?
I think so.
Oh?
I think so. It looks nice.
Compared to the Ultra?
I would choose the Ultra.
Oh, okay. There you go.
I would.
Well, because of the Bronco and everything. You're trying to be that person, so I understand. But this might be more comfortable.
It depends on the price.
It might be lighter. You know?
I don't mind it.
Think about it. Well, as rumored a few times in recent months, the highly anticipated and long overdue Pixel Watch is apparently set to come in a number of different colors, with black, silver, and gold cases being subtly on display in today's 35-second teaser video. So they're just teasing it. They're teasing it themselves. I think it's got a kind of retro future thing going on. I think it will be for somebody. I have mostly trended in the more rugged watch looking kind of thing. And I've complained about it with the Apple Watch in the past. I've been like, I got this enormous wrist. I actually measured my wrist today because the Apple Watch is coming. And I think it has the wrong band because I have this monster thing going on as a wrist. And I measured it and I was like, good Lord. I don't
surprise yourself.
No, I just was like, because they tell you in millimeters what you're about to be dealing with, and I was like, it's not gonna fit. And then I started looking at those loops. You can do a singular loop, and I put in my credentials, and they say I'm a size 12 or something, and it's not in stock anywhere. And I'm like, am I that much a freak of nature?
Max size.
I'm maxing these things out here with the wrist.
Yeah.
I feel like I should get into arm wrestling or something. I don't know to what extent that would apply. But I need the large sizes, or I have to go with the Marine band, which doesn't even say a size. Or maybe it says it should work, that one. Anyway, we're gonna get to the bottom of this. after I start buying these accessories and spending way too much money on these bands. All these bands for the Ultra, they're like $130 in Canadian money.
Yeah.
It's crazy, these bands.
Are there third parties that make them?
There's going to be. Yeah.
There will be, right?
Nomad and those guys, but they're also in the premium range, Will.
Gotcha.
Just so you know. And the Trail Loop, you can forget about it. The thing is sold out for 1 billion years. Nothing in store. And it's a 2-sizer, so a small, medium, and medium large. Honestly, see, that one says 145 to 220 millimeters. My wrist is right in around that 220 range. How crazy is that?
Yeah.
It's
barely fit.
It's right at that fringe of the medium large on this. And then if you go start looking at the Alpine, you're squarely in the large size.
Oh, this one's bigger.
What do you mean? Medium is to 190 and large is to 210.
Oh, right. Yeah, sorry.
You see the problems going on here? I don't know. I hope.
Yeah, so this one's smaller.
I hope something wrong is going on. I don't know what's happening. I hope I'm doing everything wrong with the measurement. I don't think I am because I'm putting a string around there. I'm putting it onto the measurement, and I'm just like, I'm shocked by this.
You should apply to Guinness.
Maybe I'm
World
doing
Records.
this wrong. Maybe I'm doing it wrong.
You
Will.
might have the biggest wrists.
I don't
in the
know.
world.
I hope I'm doing it wrong.
Okay.
Because I'm feeling strange about all of it.
Yeah.
And I just want more selection for the bands. And $130. I hope it fits. I just hope I just put it on and it just fits. All right. And I can stop yelling and screaming about it. And I just measured it improperly.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't know. Somebody else must have this similar problem. I can't. I'm curious.
Wrestlers?
You might be getting. I might have to give you these watch bands.
I'll take them.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to give these to you.
I don't even have an Ultra.
But
I'll
you
just
can
take them.
just start accumulating the bands that don't fit.
Sure.